You give me Jessie. Thank you, Romy. Good job. Vale, can you give me the Jessie? And sorry, the balls? No. Yes.
The Woody.
Thank you. Gabriel. Can you give me the dinosaur, please? Where's the dinosaur? Good job, Gabriel. Monse, can you give me the dog, please? The dog. Yes. Thank you, Monse. Gabriela, can you give me the meat potato, please? Good job. Thank you. Romy, come here. Romy, can you give me the pig?